This is Euro Truck A Main. Access Hobbies. The patented Euro Truck motocross start. Marshals, I see 3 marshals. Can I get another one, please? Okay, guys. I need one more. Right here by the cone. Okay, guys. Euro Truck A Main. Motocross start. The traditional motocross start. Less than 5. Pulfer's trapped. He's trapped in the penalty box. Ben Pulfer with a 6.1 second opening lap puts him out front. He's followed by Matt Kavalauskas. Mike Pulfer, Mike Pulfer roughed up by Ben.
Five minutes left.
Ben Pulfer still out front. Keep it rolling, Ben. The red and silver truck down the straightaway. That is your leader, driven by Ben Pulfer. Todd Gross in the orange and green truck in second place. He's 5.9 seconds back. Dylan Kavalauskas in third. Now Mike Pulfer moves up to that third spot in the pink and white truck. Around the sweeper and out onto the straightaway. That's your third place truck driven by Mike Pulfer. Ben Pulfer still setting the pace. Oh, Todd Gross in second. He's 5.8 seconds back. He's not making any inroads on Ben Pulfer at all. Ben and Matt come together. Oh, Matt roughs him up. Ben drives ahead. Makes Dylan pay. It's Ben, Todd, Mike, Dylan, Matt. Mike Pulfer coming up on the back of Todd Gross. That is for position. Dylan Kavalauskas in the mix to sort that one out. Mike Pulfer now up on the back of Ben. This is for position. It's a Pulfer family war in the chicane. Mike through, and he roughs him up on the way through. And he's smiling ear to ear. Mike Pulfer, then Ben Pulfer, Todd Gross sitting in the third spot, Dylan in 4, Matt in 5. Keith Cosma rejoins the fray, having been off for 177-second lap. That is the camo truck, the Flying Tiger teeth on the side. Todd Gross now up into that second spot. Ben Pulfer still hanging on to the lead. Todd Gross in the orange and green truck now past Mike Pulfer. That is the closest race on the track. For second place, Pulfer looks inside. Todd looks inside, but what did he find? A barrier. Todd back out front. Ben just cruising now. Coming up on the back of Keith Cosma. I don't know how those guys got through there, but they did. Mike Pulfer now up on the back of your leader, Ben Pulfer. This is for the race lead. The silver and red truck at the center post, followed by the pink and white truck through the S's and into the chicane. Down the straightaway they come. It's Ben, Mike, Todd, Matt. Looks like Dylan may have retired. He's in the pits. It's Ben, Todd, Mike, Matt. Dylan with a parts box headed to the pits. He's got 1:10 to get back into the fray. Can-Am 12 scale, get him ready. You are up next.
1 minute left.
One on their lid. It's Mike Pulfer now, Ben Pulfer, then Todd Gross. Mike Pulfer on a lap with, no, Ben's now on the same lap with Mike. Mike Pulfer, the pink and white truck down the straightaway. He is your leader.
The race is over.
1 done, 5
Thank
done,
heavens this
6
one
done,
is over.
3 done.
Waiting on Keith and Dylan. Are you guys going to finish? Keith's parked on the board. Dylan's still in the pits. That is you're going to finish it, Keith, if you can. That truck is a handful. That is a race. Mike Pulfer takes it. Ken Feather making a very dangerous trek across the end of the track with these trucks still out there.